Hello ICCA members from France, Monaco, Luxembourg and of Belgium and of course the Netherlands. My name is Erik Bakermans. I'm heading up the Meetings and Conventions Department at the Netherlands Board of Tourism and Conventions. Welcome to the Unconventional Convention. We're so excited to host you as from March 16 in Brainport Eindhoven, a region that thrives on innovation, creativity, technology and bold ideas. This ICCA chapter meeting is designed to inspire and engage, just as Eindhoven itself inspires us every day. Known as the Silicon Valley of Europe, Eindhoven is home to cutting-edge technology, world-class design, and a collaborative spirit that makes anything possible. From revolutionary developments at the high-tech campus Eindhoven to the artistic brilliance of the Design Academy Eindhoven. This city redefines what it means to think and act unconventionally. But it's not just about innovation. Eindhoven is also about connections. And as part of the ICCA family, this is your opportunity to foster meaningful relationships, exchange knowledge, and bring fresh perspectives back to your organizations. So, get ready to immerse yourself in a city where unconventional minds come together and prepare to be inspired by regions that are changing the way we see the world today. Once again, welcome to Eindhoven and let's make this ICCA chapter meeting truly unforgettable. Let's get things started.